Hey everyone, and welcome back to Remember This Tech. In today's video we're going to be doing an unboxing and full review of none other than the eco-worthy 314 amp hour lithium iron phosphate battery. This is one of the biggest home solution batteries you can buy outside of commercial. This right here is the eco-worthy 48 volt 314 amp hour battery, delivering 16.08 kilowatt hours of usable energy. It's built with premium A-grade cells, a 200 amp active balancing BMS integrated fire suppression system, and it's backed up by a 10-year warranty. This is some serious home backup hardware. As you can see to the right side, it came in this case over here, and it was delivered in a packing crate and on a freight truck. So this system is not for the faint of heart. And basically, if you're going to move this somewhere, you're going to need some strong people and some serious help. This took 3 people to get down my stairs because it weighs nearly 300 pounds. Yes, but it's like a steel enclosure with steel handles, steel cast iron wheels, cast iron mounting points for the wheels. Fully touchscreen, all that stuff, I'll go over it. But it's just something you need to be aware of before you go ahead and buy this unit, because you're not just going to pick it up like a Petgron or a Blue Eddy system where you can just kind of carry it and it'd be under 60, 70 pounds. No, this is near 300. This battery ships inside a reinforced crate here, like I mentioned, on a pallet from a delivery truck. You need to plan ahead. But it was fully padded and pretty secure, and that's I left it inside this crate to get it down the stairs on a dolly with 3 people. First look, let's zoom in to the battery and we'll go over some of the features and give you a whole breakdown and overview. So let's get right into this. Battery features and a few of the functions. This isn't going to be a setup video, this is an unboxing and a spec overview review. So if you find this content helpful, please give a thumbs up and subscribe and hype this video, because it helps out small content creators like me. Without further ado, let's get right into it, shall we? Come on, let's go! So this eco-worthy battery can be bought separate or as a part of a kit like I bought. My total kit consisted of the 10,000 watt solar off-grid inverter, which you can see mounted up there, and this battery. Also came with 8 590 watt bifacial solar panels. This is a 51.2 volt system with 314 amp hour. It's built like a tank, let's just put it that way. This is a thick steel enclosure, a compact footprint, making this a really solid choice. Literally. eco-worthy also added built-in wheels on the bottom and makes it positioning this 300 battery around, once you get it down the stairs, not that bad. You're going to need some serious a winch or something like that. So let's turn it on. They're shipped with some battery power. I'm going to go over some of the specs right now. This is the side here. For a good view. I'm going to put up the specs on the top of the screen as well. This battery chemistry, like I said before, is a lithium iron phosphate, 51.2 volts. Voltage ranges between 40 and 58 volts. And the standard capacity is 314 amp hours. This can provide up to 16.076 kilowatt hours usable, and the standard charge and discharge rate is 150 amps. The max charge and discharge rate is 200 amps, initial temp of plus or minus 35 C. And you have a cycle life of up to 10,000 cycles of charge and discharges, and then it'll go to 80% SOH. Temperature ranges that it can function at range from 0 C to 55 C, and the discharge rate can function to -20C to 55C, which is a fairly wide range of ranges to be able to operate under. The scalability is truly epic with this system. You can put up to 15 batteries in parallel, up to 241 kilowatts of total storage. You got that right, 241 kilowatts. This is basically whole neighborhood, well, not whole neighborhood, but whole home backup territory with this alone. But if you scaled 2 to 3 of these together, you can go for days probably, depending on what your loads are and what you run in your house. Safety and protection for this system, we've got one of the most complete safety systems I've seen at this price point. It's got a multi-layered safety system with a 200 amp smart BMS with active cell balancing, 250 amp breaker with shunt trip protection. It also has integrated aerosol fire suppression module in case there's a fire and it can put it out. Overcurrent, short circuit, and temperature protection, and premium grade A cells engineered for home storage. So this fire suppression module inside here is huge for a home indoor installations as well. Your connections for negative and positive, right? And you've got the serial connections and to talk between batteries, and you can add Bluetooth and Wi-Fi code built into this unit where you scan that and get the system going. The system also came with mounting brackets. You can attach it to the wall or the floor in case, so it doesn't move. You don't want to move it once you got it to where you want it. It came with an Ethernet, cable for communication, or just a communication cable rather. These battery cables are special. You can lock them in place, and you probably have about 3 feet of cable here, and the other end, of course, it's already has the ends pre-done and soldered on. They connect to your inverter, so these will snap in place. They're color coded, and then you can unsnap them with this. It'll have releases that. Not too bad. All right, this is the power button here. I'm going to turn it around and we're going to turn it on. All right, we got a welcome screen here. Let's get a little bit better view here. This right here is a touch screen, and you can hook it up to the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and tells you the state of charge right here, 30%. That's what it's shipped with. It tells you voltage, SOC, current, and capacity, and any warnings or protection errors, and that's just your general state there. Over here you have a menu screen, and this is touch screen. You can tell what the cells are in or what's going on currently. So not bad. It's a 7-inch touch screen, and once you get your Wi-Fi set up and your Bluetooth connected, you can even have more functions, and it'll be integrated in your inverter. You'll get a lot more information from that. And historical usage. What do I mean by historical usage? Well, it can track what you're using for your home, what your daily rates are, what your consumption is, so you can get a feel of, hey, I used 10 kilowatts this day, 2 kilowatt hours this day or something. And then you can kind of scale down your power and make your system more efficient, so you're not wasting power. In the real-time monitoring, the monitoring doesn't stop there. Like I said, this battery includes Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Plus, they also have PC software you can download on your PC for advanced monitoring. Real-time SOC, daily, weekly, monthly usage, charge and discharge rates, peak load events, solar versus grid charging, cell balancing status, error logs, remote shutdown. This gives you the full visibility in how your home uses your power, and you will probably be surprised, but this tracking is going to be something you're going to use all the time. So now we'll just shut it off, and it goes to sleep. And also you have that huge breaker on the side, which kills the battery power output and protects you if you're going to be doing work, plugging in the battery to your inverter. You want to make sure that that breaker I showed you is off prior to doing any work. Now again, I'm not an electrician, so this is basically for entertainment purposes only, and I wanted to give you an overview of what this system is like in case you're interested in checking it out or buying one. I'll put a link for this unit in the description section below, so you can feel free to check it out. It helps me out. Now, final thoughts. For a 16 kilowatt battery system, this footprint is surprisingly compact. The wheels, the handles make it fairly manageable once you get it to where you're going and on a level surface. The steel enclosure feels extremely solid as well. So overall, the eco-worthy 314 amp hour battery is feature packed. It has high capacity energy storage unit built for serious solar and home backup systems. And also you get those premium grade A cells. You get active balancing, you get multi-layer safety with the fire suppression, you get Wi-Fi, you get Bluetooth monitoring, PC software, and of course the 10-year warranty. All in this compact wheel design back behind me. So this is a legit alternative to some of the big name Powerwall. I'm not going to name names, but you get where I'm going. Without the subscription and without the installation restrictions or where you have to pay and pay. So who might this be good for? Well, you could use it in an off-grid situation, emergency power backup solution, combined with a large split phase inverter, off-grid inverter. You know, you've got tons of options, cabins. So thanks for watching. Remember this tech, and if you want to see the whole solar setup that I'm doing, make sure you're subscribed and hit the like button, because that whole complete solar setup video is going to be coming up soon and you might not want to miss that. So thanks again for watching. Remember this tech.